Hey everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is our family and we're off-grid on Friday. To those of you who might not know, here's some background on us. A year ago, we purchased a piece of land in hopes to make it our home away from home. And here we are a year later, loving every moment of it. We cleared out the land, found the well, purchased a trailer and a new truck, built metal buildings, and bought a utility vehicle. I named her Kimmy. We're so overjoyed, and the only thing missing is sharing it with you all. So lean back, relax, and join us as we share our off-grid journey with you.
All I gotta do is just tie that loose end up, and then I'm gonna follow you guys up there, okay? Take your time.
Should we go?
Wait for me to tie this up, all right? There they go. Oh, teenager. What do you think, Karina?
It's crazy. Oh, there's a way that's so good.
Oh man, it is cool.
Those are our keys.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
And those are windows.
Oh, wow. That's a nice window.
I just need
These are nice.
I
They're
know.
like double paned.
They're like the ones that are house.
Yeah.
Where they lock by themselves.
Wow.
I was more excited than Ellie.
There they go. There they want to take the Jeep trail. Scout! Scout! Come on, Bubba. Ooh, man. Wow. We're all running that property. Just enjoying the air and the view. It is. That is the rec room. There's the Conex, aka the garage / storage shed. Then you got the RV carport. I know it's kind of like an oxymoron because you say carport and RV, but RV port sounds weird, so we're gonna go with that. This will be the command post. And then you can hear my wife and oldest daughter opening up on that Kimco that Karina named Kimmy. And yeah, they're going for it. Here they come, yeah. I think she's gonna come straight up. I think that's what she was asking. But...
That way!
Yeah, alright, let's do it.
Till I told them.
You did it! Peace!